Hello students, today we are going to study here chemical properties or reactions of amines. In the last lecture we have seen that alkylation of amines, Hoffman's exhaustive alkylation of amines. In that reaction, hydrogen atoms from that amino group are replaced by an alkyl group. That is known as alkylation of amines. And finally, in that reaction, primary amines react with alkyl halide gives secondary amine reacts with again second molecule of alkyl halide gives tertiary amines, and tertiary amines reacts with third molecule or third mole of alkyl halide gives quaternary ammonium salt. That type of the reaction already we have seen in the last lecture. Now today we will see here what is quaternary ammonium salt. Quaternary ammonium salt, how is it prepared? Such type of the question that may be asked in the board examination. What is quaternary ammonium salt? How is it prepared? Now see here, NH4X, it is a salt of ammonia. NH4X, it is a salt of ammonia. We can convert this salt of ammonia into quaternary ammonium salt by replacing all these four hydrogen atoms by four similar or different alkyl groups like this, R4NX-. It is known as tetraalkyl. It is tetraalkyl ammonium halide. Tetraalkyl ammonium halide. Here I have replaced, it is ammonium salt, NH4X-, NH4 plus X-. This is ammonium salt. I have replaced these four hydrogen atoms from the ammonium salt by four similar or different alkyl groups, that is known as tetraalkyl ammonium halide, or it is also known as quaternary ammonium salt. It is quaternary ammonium salt. Here, for example, if we are taking here all four similar alkyl groups, they will be together, CH3 4NCl. It is tetramethyl ammonium chloride. Another example, it is the first one. Second one we can write like this, C2H5 4NBr. It is tetraethyl ammonium bromide. These are the examples of quaternary ammonium salts. Tetra, or from this we can define quaternary salts like this. Tetraalkyl derivatives of ammonium salts are known as quaternary ammonium salts. They are obtained by replacing all these four hydrogen atoms from this ammonium salt by similar or different alkyl groups. They are represented by general formula R4NX. Or they are also known as tetraalkyl ammonium halides, or that is also known as quaternary ammonium salt. It is regarding about the definition of quaternary ammonium salts. Tetraalkyl derivatives of ammonium salts, that we have to remember here. Then preparation. In this preparation we can prepare quaternary ammonium salts by doing the reaction of that, directly by doing the reaction of that tertiary amines with alkyl halide. For example, tertiary amines are represented by a formula R3N plus, when it reacts with the alkyl halide, RX. Heat is necessary in this reaction. It is a tertiary amine. this tertiary amine reacts with an alkyl halide and gives tetraalkyl ammonium halide R4N plus X minus. It is quaternary ammonium salt. Now it is R4NX. It is the general formula of quaternary ammonium salt. Now we can prepare here tetramethyl ammonium chloride. When? Now for the preparation of this tetramethyl ammonium chloride, we have to take a tertiary amine like trimethyl ammonite. Trimethyl ammonite. When it is treated with alkyl halide like methyl chloride, it is necessary. Here it is trimethyl amine, or it is N dimethyl amine. It is now here trimethyl amine when heated with methyl chloride. Now there is a neutral electron present on this nitrogen atom. This nitrogen atom can donate the neutral electron for the bond formation, and there is a formation of product is like CH3,4N plus and Cl minus. This nitrogen atom, it has donated that neutral electron. It carries positive charge and that chlorine carries negative charge, and here it is known as tetramethyl ammonium chloride. It is tetramethyl ammonium chloride. Now, after completion of that preparation of quaternary ammonium salt, there are two reactions given in our textbook, that is of that quaternary ammonium salts. Reactions of quaternary ammonium salts. That is, the first one is Hoffman's elimination reaction. That is the reaction of quaternary ammonium salt with moist silver oxide. This reaction is also known as beta elimination reaction. In this reaction, least substituted alkyl group, that is to be get converted into an alkyl. We will see here how the reaction. When that quaternary ammonium salt like this, where CH3, CH2, CH2, and CH2, CH3, CH2, here three ethyl groups are there, CH2, CH3, here now this nitrogen atom carries positive charge and there is a chlorine Cl minus. It is quaternary ammonium salt. It is N-triethyl. The name of this compound is N, and three ethyl groups are attached to this nitrogen atom. So it is N-triethyl propyl, N-propyl or propyl amine. Ammonium, N-propyl, ammonium, there is chloride. When this quaternary ammonium salt like this, N-triethyl N-propyl ammonium chloride is heated with moist silver oxide. Here moist silver oxide means AgOH. Here now the reaction takes place like this. This reaction takes place with the moist silver oxide. It should be moist Ag2O. It means that Ag2O, it absorbs the water molecule and get converted into this AgOH. It is a nucleophilic substitution reaction. Now this Cl minus is here. This chlorine atom is replaced by this OH group. This Cl minus is replaced by this OH group, and this Cl combines with this Ag and formation of AgCl takes place, and that is the byproduct. Here I will write the same reaction here again here. Same structure CH3, CH2, CH2N, CH2, CH3. Here CH2, CH3, CH2, CH3. Now and this structure, it is positively charged here and it is negative charge. Or we can write like this here, positive charge on this nitrogen atom. Here now this chlorine is replaced by this OH minus. Now it is the name of this compound is N-N-trimethyl. N-N-N-triethyl propyl ammonium hydroxide. Instead of this chloride, there is hydroxide group is there. Therefore, it is hydroxide. And now this compound plus AgCl, that means the byproduct. This compound on heating, least substituted molecule get converted into an alkene. Here least substituted means there are 3 ethyl groups. Out of these 3 ethyl groups, one of these groups that is to get converted into CH2 double bond CH2 ethylene plus here quaternary ammonium salt, this is to get tertiary amine now. Here again use CH3 CH2 CH2 and CH2 CH3. Here is NCH2 CH3. It is ethylene or ethene. It is ethene or ethylene in this. Now here in this, one of the hydrogen atom from this beta carbon atom is eliminated. Therefore, it is also known as beta elimination reaction. In this way, in this Hoffman's elimination reaction, one of the molecules, one of least substituted alkyl that is to be get converted into an alkene. And here, first of all, here I have taken a quaternary ammonium salt that should be treated with this moist silver oxide. Here now this chlorine is replaced by this hydroxide. Therefore, the name of this compound is N-N-N triethyl ammonium hydroxide. This on heating gives ethylene, that is amine, and it is a tertiary amine, that is N-N-diethyl N-propyl amine.